Kian and I just closed on a 24 unit in a nice Highland Park location. What's really unique about this deal is the property was bought by the same ownership about 30 years ago, and the seller pretty much didn't put any money into the property. So all the systems were very old, the units were very beat up, tons of deferred maintenance. We listed the building the first few days of 2025 before the fires, and subsequently, right after the fires, there was very low demand for multifamily, especially a mid-size asset.
When marketing this property, I called every single recent buyer in the last 5 years within 5 miles from the property. I ended up finding one specific buyer who purchased in Pasadena, a completely different market 2 years ago. He invited me out to lunch. He said he doesn't normally take buy-side meetings, but he was curious to see our current inventory. After driving the property and seeing the condition that it was in, he wasn't really interested in the deal anymore, especially because of those competing properties. Had a 20 unit down the street at better metrics, but we sat down again, went through the numbers together, and we were actually able to get him comfortable with moving forward with an offer. The offer that came in wasn't anywhere near what the seller was expecting, but ultimately, after exhausting all of our resources, we ended up finding a meeting ground, and the deal ended up being a win-win for everyone.
In closing, the way that we really got this deal done at 5670 Ash was by a lot of hand-holding with a second-time multifamily owner that's still getting a feeling for the marketplace and helping them understand how to do a value-add strategy on a building that was severely beat up.